Welcome to the world of Honda generators. When you're shopping for a portable generator, one important question you should ask is, how quiet is the generator? The amount of sound a generator produces is measured in terms of dBs or decibel level. Today I'd like to demonstrate some different series of Honda portable generators to give you an idea of what different dB levels sound like. This way, when you're generator shopping, you'll have a pretty good idea of what to expect based on the particular generator's published dB ratings. The device you see here is called a load bank. We're using it to simulate the generator running at its full rated load level. So, here we go. The first generator we're listening to is the Honda EU3000 generator. Right now with no load, it's very quiet. We're going to now listen to it with a full rated load at an incredibly low dB level of 58 decibels. That's full load. This is the Honda EU2000 generator. It is a 2,000 watt generator that at full load produces 59 decibels of sound. That's a full rated load. The generators you just heard are Honda inverter style generators. Inverter generators are very popular for a number of reasons and are the best of the best when it comes to quiet portable generators. This is the Honda EB3000 generator. This industrial series generator makes 68 decibels of rated load. Notice it's a little louder than the inverter generator. This is the Honda EP2500 economy series generator. This generator makes 69 decibels at rated load. Hear the difference? The last generator is a 5,000 watt generator. This EB Industrial Series generator produces 72 decibels at full load. This is the loudest generator we have. So in review, 58 decibels. 59 dB, 68 decibels.